Here's a quick video showing how seamless and comprehensive Preno Xero integration is. Now, to connect your Xero account, all you have to do is log into your trial, and under settings there's an integrations option. In there, all you have to do is log into Xero and select which accounts you would like to map. Now we have custom mapping, so you can map different forms of revenue and different room types to different accounts. You can also map commissions for OTAs and cancellation charges to different accounts. So as soon as the booking comes in, Preno's automation handles the rest. Now, with the booking that just came in earlier, I automated a deposit, and this created a prepayment invoice in Xero for me. This can point to whichever account you like, but in mine, I have it pointing to a deposits account with no GST applied. This is automatically creating a credit for this guest, Thomas Betty, until they stay, because there is a liability component, and if they do cancel within my cancellation policies, then I may have to refund that money. As soon as the guest stays, that income is realized and that GST is allocated. If I go to a different booking, I'll check out Thomas Betty in room 13, and you can see the Xero integration at work. Now, there is a hard stop on checkout, so I'm just going to process the final payment before the guest leaves. And when I check out the guest, it automatically creates a full invoice in Xero for me. Now, it creates a link at the bottom of the page here, but you can limit access to certain people so they don't have access to your Xero account. Now, so as soon as I click on the invoice, it opens it up, and now GST is applied. I had a couple of different room rates here, and they're separated out. It automatically populates a description for me. So Thomas was in room 13 from the 16th to the 19th. It can also separate out checkouts and other form of upsells into a different revenue account. And I actually had a restaurant charge for Thomas, and that splits out into a separate sales account again. Now this is marked as paid, and the prepayment invoice is also allocated to this full invoice. So the credit has been applied, the invoice is marked as paid, and there's a link to go to Preno. Now, if you use the auto payments or just Stripe in general, it's really easy to reconcile your batch payments in Xero as well. So this entire process is automated and really seamless, so you can keep track of your deposits, your revenue, and you don't have to waste time on reconciliation.